Good day everyone. So today we're going to school because we have practice for children's. Actually, it is the final rehearsal for children's because tomorrow will be our incomes and tomorrow will be our competition in children's. And actually today, we're not just doing some rehearsal, we're doing some props and everything, and we're going to finalize our stuff. I hope a good luck for tomorrow. And also guys, ang lakas ng ambon. Hindi ko alam kung ambon pa ba ito or ulan. Sana wag tayo magkasakit and sana tomorrow we got some sunshine. Maliit lang siya.
Para sa GoPro.
GoPro?
Nag-video. What's up guys? Ayusin mo.
Tara na dito!
One.
Di kita lahat!
So, okay guys, ngayon kakatapos lang ng practice namin and it's so tiring, especially na we did our best kanina and also we're gonna did our best so we're gonna do our best tomorrow as well. And meron pa daw kaming practice mamayang hating gabi but I need to go to work, so nagpaalam ako sa coach namin na mga 3 or 4 or baka 5 ako makarating sa laban. So sana huwag sila magalit. Uy. But anyway guys, wala pa akong tulog. Hindi tayo matutulog ulit. And hindi din tayo matutulog for tomorrow.